Good afternoon. It is the 7th of March. We had a very erratic market today. We have the crop report coming out, supply and demand report coming out tomorrow afternoon. That's Thursday at 11 o'clock. We also have exports coming out tomorrow morning at 7:30. Markets were just a little unsure of themselves in agricultural markets going into those numbers. So grain markets that have been up recently, pretty good profits from people on the long side. Some people decided today to take profit going into tomorrow, so the grain markets were down. Cotton was up most of the day. At one point, it was up quite a bit. It still ended up closing up 38. But let's look around at other stuff because other things are happening. The general nervousness about Trump's statements made about trade sanctions, tariffs, leading to the possibility, some people think, of trade wars, which could affect agricultural markets. We're not really seeing that in these markets right now, but we are seeing it in other markets. For instance, stock market is down, and that's all the talk, is nervousness over trade sanctions. So that's going to be around until this thing runs its course, and right now it's still on track. Trump is insistent that he's going to do something, so we'll see. Let's just sort of go through here. May cotton up 38 at 82.81 with a high of 83.77, almost 100 higher at one point. The low made last night was 81.78. So actually we were down about 100 lower. So anywhere from 100 lower to 100 higher, and we were sort of in the middle, still closing up. July cotton not up as much, up 12 at 82.61. December cotton up 11 at 78.09. May soybeans down 9.5 at 10.65 and a quarter with a high of 10.77 and a quarter, a low of 10.64 and a half. May corn down 1, 387 and a quarter, a high of 389, a low of 386 and three quarters. May wheat down 10 and a quarter at 496 and three quarters, a high of 509 and three quarters. A low going here was made in at the close at 496. Dollar up 20. Crude oil is selling off, down to $1.26 right now. Gold down $9 an ounce. Silver down 31 cents an ounce. Pretty good movement there. And the Dow Jones is under pressure, down 210. So make sure you join us. We'll have a number of broadcasts tomorrow morning. Early morning broadcast. Exports at 7:30. Crop report review probably 15 minutes after the crop report comes out will be on. And then our afternoon broadcast. Lots of things to look at tomorrow. Join us then. Have a good evening.